Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a logo here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a logo in Adobe Express is very simple and very quick, all right? Because Adobe Express offers tools and templates that make designing a professional logo easy, even if you're not a graphic designer, all right? So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the home page because here you have the option to create a logo from scratch by going to the View All section and then click the Quick Actions tab. Hover down below where you can see the logo maker beta, right? What will happen is you would be forwarded here, all right? For example, I'm going to type in Deep Labs. Select an industry, obviously, all right? Now we are in the entertainment. Let's say other, enter a slogan. Okay, so our slogan is how to video. Click on next. All right. So by doing all of these, you are helping the algorithm of Adobe Express to suggest a logo that best suits your brand and identity. So you're giving them the content that they should create. Click on next. On the style, you can choose from minimal, bold, elegant, and of course organic. So you have all of these. If you want to skip, you can do that, but of course we're going to go for the bold kind of. Click on next and you can choose from any of all of these. All right, so for example, car wash, all of these, maybe I don't know, maybe say for example this one right here. Click on customize. Now you're creating your own logo. It's very simple. Just wait for it. All right, so you can now type in, you can choose a font right here, all right? So that's the font. You can maneuver all of the text, move it into place, and of course from here you can do a lot of things, all right? So it's up to you and how to be creative. You can choose a different color for that, for example, this. So your options are kind of limited, and of course you just have to hover, and then once you are satisfied with the logo, you can shuffle and colors and font. Now, all I'm going to do now is click the edit more, because what will happen is you would be forwarded here in the editing pan. All right, so now you have more control on how you want your logo to appear. All right, so you have all of these templates on the media section right here. In the elements, we can add more elements, pictures, videos, and all together right here. Put it here in place. For example, shape, put it here, around here maybe. And then once you are satisfied and happy with how it looks, all right, you have now the option to click on download. And of course, I would suggest for you to download the PNG, which is best for images and logo. All right. But if you want to print this logo, you might want to choose the PDF print, which is best for printing. And if you want to share this amazing logo that you have created and designed to your client or your boss, just click on the view link, copy that link, and share it to them. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.